Hello guys, what's it called again? Fireblade here, and today we are trying out some 5 candies from Turkey. So let's get straight into it. So this one's called A80 Puff, I think. Yeah, so let's just open this straight up and then eat it. It's super weird. Okay, let's take this. Yeah, that looks pretty cool. Okay, let's eat it. Okay. Oh, that's nasty. Oh my gosh. Hopefully the rest of the sweets don't taste like this. Or it don't like, what's it called again? No eat. So next we've got a Onzo Coronet. So this is like a chocolate coronet. Let's open it up. It's really nice. There's chocolate. Okay. Oh, what's that? Oh, that's sick. There's like a 3D man right here. Let me see if I can get a good glimpse of it. No, it's just someone. I think that's like a collector's card thing. That seems cool. Okay. So pretty good. Let's eat it. Wow. That's so good. Okay. Put that back up. I really want another bite, but yeah. Let's put it away for now. Where should I put it? I'm just gonna put it in its own wrapper. Rest in your own faith. Oh, what's next? So next is E.T. Burkot. So this is like technically a Ritzy sort of turkey biscuit. So I love Ritzy's, and that's why my mum bought it for me. So it does look like this. Seems quite nice. So let's try it. That's so good. It's a lot of butter though. That is so good. Oh, one sec. So now we've got Q mini candy, and let's just open this and then we can eat it. So, how do we open this? I have no idea. There we go. Opened. So this, why is this packaging so hard? Do you not want robbers to get it? Well, I'm not a robber, but yeah, it's so hard. Okay. Okay, let's just look, there's a little thing on top of it. That does mean like a unique thing to this one. Okay, so let's eat this. Crunchy. It's technically a Skittle, but with a lot of flavour. So yeah, I rate it and eat it. Oh yeah, I got ketchup.